In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in UPDF. Now, first you want to open your document and then you want to go to the top left where it says Tools. And in here, you want to switch over to the Edit tab where it says Mode. And from here, as you can see, you're now in the Edit mode. Now to edit the PDF, by default, you'll be able to click pretty much on anything and like move it around. You'll also be able to change it. Like for example, if I wanted to go over here and like rotate this, I can do it very easily. I can go and use the flip features, delete it. I can click on more and there's more options, etc. And then you can click on any text here. You can change it to whatever you want. You could change and customize text by basically highlighting it. You could change your text colors. You could change your fonts over here like that. You could change the size of your text. You could go and change alignments, make it bold, italic, underline, whatever. And if you click on the More button, it's going to give you more options over here on the right to format your text, such as like spacing, line spacing, paragraph spacing, character spacing, etc. Okay, so that's the essential first way to do this. You can do this with any object, anything inside your PDF, just like this, very easily. As you can see, I can navigate things around without any hassle. I can double click on them, I can arrange them over here on the right, and stuff like that. Then you have this option up top, which is the insert and edit text. So we can either insert text. I can click on here, for example, and I can just start typing and it's going to insert the text in there, which is also quite convenient. Then you have the insert and edit image. So we can basically edit any image in here. Of course, if I had one, or you could just click anywhere and you can add images into your PDF as well, just like this, very easily. You could then crop them, you could move them, you could flip them over here on the right. Then you have insert and edit link. So if you want to edit links, you could like do it like this, make kind of a border over here, put in the link address, and then select visibility or not. So that's also quite convenient. And you can insert and edit link page. So if you want to link pages, you could also do that very easily using this tool up here. Now we have some filter options over here, which is gonna allow you to filter things in here. And then whenever you're done, you can just close and don't forget to save your document, and you're essentially good to go. That's how you can edit your entire PDF in UPDF. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.